Isang mapagpalang araw po sa inyo, mga kasama. At Happy World Teachers Day po sa mga kasamahan kong guro. So kahapon po, October 4, 2022, ay kinausap ko yung aking mga estudyante at sinabi ko po na kung pwede akong humingi ng regalo sa kanya. Sabi ko sa kanila, taas ka ng kamay ng gusto magbigay. So majority po ay nagtaas ng kamay, pero ang sabi ko ay yung regalong hihingin ko, hindi yun yung binibili at hindi material. Ang sabi ko, ang regalong gusto ko ay maging mabait na bata kayo, mag-aral kayong mabuti, at mag-iingat kayo palagi. So yun ang aking pakiusap sa kanila. Pero ngayon, October 5, ito mismo yung Teachers Day. Ito pa rin sila. Talagang nag-effort pa rin. Anyway, maraming salamat sa inyo. God bless you all.
I was tasked to give an inspirational message. I was thinking and I was even looking in the Google what particular inspirational message can I share and can I give to you this afternoon. But simply looking at the back of this program, I was able to read a simple question. Yet, para sa akin, napakahalaga. Sabi po niya, good teachers are the reason why ordinary students dream to do extraordinary things. My dear colleagues, my dear teachers, alam niyo po, ang daming tao, ang daming bata na nagiging mabuting mamamayan ng ating bansa, even in the whole world, because of you, teachers. In Palar Integrated School alone, we are very proud that even we have only this space, even if we have only 2 buildings, we were able to produce productive citizens in the country. Isang pagpapatunay na hindi kailangan ng isang malaking paaralan para magkaroon tayo ng bahagi, na mahalagang bahagi sa buhay ng isang estudyante. But it was only this morning, upon the arrival of the teachers, that the group decided to wear it. Gusto ko sanang suotin, kaya lang wala naman ako matagumpay na tao. Once again, from the deepest of my heart, I would like to say, I am proud. I am part of Palar Integrated School, a school with teachers that teaches with a heart. Alam ko po na hindi lahat ng teacher ay nagtuturo ng katulad ninyo. Dahil nahihirapan, dahil maraming sagaban. Pero here in Palar, I am proud to say, nakita ko po kung paano nagsasakripisyo ang bawat guro para maibigay ang kalidad na edukasyon sa ating mga kabataan.